The Wednesday group will advertise the restaurant of
Antonio's Restaurant. Particularly, you can have Antonio's Restaurant in Tagaytay Beach.
Five, six, seven, start.
Welcome to Antonio's Restaurant. Sit now,
Experience the romantic dating, family reunion, newlywed couple, banding with friends at Antonio's Restaurant. Located at Alfonso Tagaytay, while you are eating and enjoying the Italian and Korean foods at Antonio's Restaurant, you can see a beautiful places like the Albuquerque.
Hindi ta ko magadto gadaragdag andang sauce.
We offer different services that the customers try. You can see also a brilliant and grandeur designs and setup in your kitchens. For other information, just log on to www.antoniosrestaurant.com.ph. So what we are waiting for? Enjoy and
and
feel.
witness the awesome change.
Thank you.